I wanna,
Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat?
Joe!
Are you okay?
I do not know. I cannot stop. Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze?
What if you tried sneezing more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But, Gerald...
No, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye.
Gerald... Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor! Piggy, great news! I have a cold!
Good for you. The end. And what I tell the kids after this is we do the always sneeze into your elbow pit, and I ask them, how did Piggy get sick? And they all say, because Gerald sneezed all over her. I also ask the kids who sit in the very, very front row, because I, sneeze on them to prove a point, but I don't really sneeze on them. But I tell them when I sneeze, they put it there like this. Anyway, it's a really cute book to read to the kids, and then they all go around all day like this.